born over a fault line, bad teeth and worse habits, high heels in a trailer. If you want it, you should have it.
Damn. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Forex, and I'm back again with another video. And today is 2nd of October, and we're currently in a trade. The trade is still running. Currently in a trade, the trade is still running. So this morning I woke up as usual 5 a.m. and now we're still back in the chat. So the trade is going forward, and I'm going to keep you guys through how I came about the trade and the full trade breakdown, and also to help out on the question which I was asked on how to get daily bias, or how do I use daily bias to trade, and also going through some of the questions you guys left on my previous videos, and it was really amazing. Thank you guys for the engagement in that previous video, and thank you so much guys for constant support. And so I'm going through the questions to make sure that I answer some of the questions and throw more light, because that's the only way I could help in the community and teach or share what I know. So right now I'm going through the comments why the trade runs. And for my Instagram, I think my Instagram is somewhere I should have been posting some of the things I'm doing, some of the podcasts, or some of the things I'm looking into, but I don't know what's really wrong with Instagram now. Even my account is still on suspend. I don't know, like the new account I opened, that few days I just now is already 100 followers. It's still on suspend. Like, it's crazy, yeah. But yeah, we're not going to let all those things weigh us down. Yeah. So right now, I'm just going to continue what I'm doing. I watched ICT Market Maker series already, episode 2. And so I think we're just going to do a quick trade breakdown on how I came about this trade, then go along with my day and do other stuff I need to do. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And yes, some people asked me ICT Q zones, that's the London Q zone and the New York Q zone timing in Nigerian time. So the London Q zone timing is 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. That's the London Q zone New York time. Then in Nigerian time it's 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock. That's London Q zone time. The New York Q zone time is from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Inside that 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock, you have equity markets opening, and you have second New York opening. Yes, that's 8:30, and also the 9:30 thereabouts timing. Those are the times to look for entries, and the rest of it. Those are the important times in New York session. Then in Nigerian time for the New York session is 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So I hope this part of this video was insightful. So just leave us a like and subscribe to this channel.
I actually forgot to get substitutes tonight. And also check up on the tree as well. So actually sit at home. So that's why there's less transport. And everybody's just chilling. So I'm just checking on the trade here and also charging my laptop and my phone here because it was off. That was why you saw me make that exclamation I made the other time. So I'll soon be leaving soon, but I wanted to take you guys with me to show you guys how I get my daily bias of this USD shift trade I'm in now. So as you can see, I enter this trade from here. And I saw go a sweep at a POI and an order block here. I'll go to displacement or change the state of delivery, taking out this swing high. So I was hoping for price to retrace back into this as Monday stress, Friday high, low, and for us to expand up to take out this clean high of the external range liquidity of the higher time frame. So going over to the forecast here. First of all, when I come into the market, when I come into the market, I ask myself, where is price and where is price likely to expand more to? Okay, so as you can see, I see price just disrespected weekly mitigation block and also closed above an FEG confirming bullish momentum. So as you can see here, this is a mitigation block that price was supposed to react from, which is still supposed to act as resistance to continue to the downside to take out external range liquidity. But looking at this now, as you can see, price even closed above this fair value gap now. So what I'm expecting is a little bit retracement back in the weekly candle and for us to expand to the upside. So every day you're looking at the weekly candle and trying to predict what the weekly candle is going to do next. So in that weekly candle, what you're looking for is which liquidity price take out and which other liquidity is price aiming to for the next opposing liquidity. So as you can see, price just took out this liquidity, price is going up. So as I've taken out that high there, we're looking for a retracement back for us to continue. That as the weekly power of 3. As you can see, price has already wicked down. This is opening price went up, price came down again. This, as you can see, we have a tiny weekly. So going to the daily, you're looking at, okay, you know, if you're bullish, every previous day candle should be taking out the previous, every new candle should be taking out the previous day candle high. Okay, so looking at this, we have this fair value gap that price closed above. Okay, normal market structure, we have a swing low, we have a high, we have a break of structure, we have a high again, and price retracing back into this and didn't come down very much. Okay, because of we have a break of structure here, this is the high, and also have this fair value gap here, which is supposed to be like resistance turns into support, and this will now become a what, a POI, body close above it. So this is like a break and retest. So if you're looking at this, you can see that this down close candle is the retesting, and that is the Friday candle. And as you can see here, the Monday candle swept the Friday low, and then that was what confirmed. Okay, at a POI, that's where you're looking for the setup. Okay, at a POI, that's where you're doing what you're looking for the setup. So price at a, as you can see now, and I said, okay, this is internal range liquidity, and I'm hoping for this POI to take price up for us to aim for this external range liquidity. So internal to external. So going down again in the 4 hour, I said, okay, as you can see, we're in an uptrend, and you know this is the current high we swept up, down, retracement back into internal range, and we see that this is the support. As you can see, our price is consolidating here. Okay, price is reacting at it, and this high is break of structure. So old high turns into what? Support. So now you can see consolidation, price wicked down on Monday, sweep of this low, we'll have this swing high, price takes out the swing high, we'll have a change in state of the leaf. But if you go to the 1 hour, that's where you see price transpose very well, which is here in the 1 hour. At the POI, we got a consolidation, we got a sweep, we got what? Change the state of the leaf. We took out this high, we'll have a fair value gap, which is where I entered this trade from. So you can see price has been a lot from here, but we're still expecting our normal 1:2 trade. 1:2 trade for price to come take out this clean high. So this consolidation, price took out the sell stops. We're looking forward to do what? Take out the buy stops, which is also weekly power of 3, whereby Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday creates the low of the week. But here I'm seeing that Monday might be the one creating the low of the week. And the opening price, if we look for the opening price, so this is Sunday, let's look for Sunday. So you are supposed to buy at or below the opening price. That's the fair and the cheapest time to buy. So we are going to look for Sunday opening price. So I think this is Sunday opening price, this low right here, opening price, weekly opening price. As you can see, price went up, manipulated down. So if we are to continue to the upside, price is not supposed to do what? Take out this swing high. Price should respect it and continue down to the downside. But price taking this high, then we're using from the low of the previous day to the high of created in the previous day, OTE. There are a lot of confidences you can, if you understand the concepts, you can use. As you can see, price, this was the one that as well. This what o'clock, this 2 o'clock, that's London kills on sharp, dipped into it, and then it got a little bit up, and now in New York section, price has been here. So OTE, we're looking forward to going. So that's just the, should I say, the whole point of how I came about this, and this is how you can get the daily bias, which is you're going to the weekly and you're like predicting what the weekly candle can do. And if you're having a bullish candle week, you should be bullish in the Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday till you reach the higher time frame weekly objective. That's the draw on liquidity. Okay, so from Thursday, price might return back into the range, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you are looking to be bullish. And every retracement down, you are looking to buy. Every retracement down, you are looking to buy. So AUD USD. I missed a trade from there. Euro USD. If you go to my notion, AUD USD. If you go to my notion, I'm anticipating price to go for us to continue to the downside, and I saw that we were reacting from this mitigation block, so I was anticipating price to continue down, for us to go down. And now when I saw this, like, okay, since we're here, I want to see price smash down. If price should go above this, that would be a bearish validation level. And right here in the 1 hour, I saw a change in state of delivery, so I was hoping for a retracement back into this FG. When price goes down FG, let me capitalize on the trade. But after everything, as you can see, price didn't really chase into the FG properly. Rather, price reacted from the opening price, and by that time I was still at work, which was 8 o'clock. Going back to real time, you can see yesterday, Monday, 8 o'clock. So I wasn't at the chart at that moment, so I missed the trade, and price went immediately to take out the external range liquidity I was hoping for. So while I said I missed the trade, I wasn't beating myself up, but rather I went into another pair to look for next trade to take, and as you can see, I flagged the two that were looking nice. Okay, so this is also how I do. Once I check out the pairs, anyone that I see that is looking nice, I flag them red. So let's just see how the trade runs. I'm still looking at the trade is currently running. Let me see how this is up. Okay, so up since $3. I use the first trade we're taking after the two trades we took last week. So this is how the trade is currently running. So just like I said, if you're looking for a daily bias, this is how you do your daily bias. No matter what, you just stick to your plan and let your trade run. And currently we're just watching the trader, allowing the trade run and see what the trade has for us. So I hope the video was insightful and you got little or nothing from it, but I know you get something from it. So the main thing here is, if you're looking for your daily bias, if you haven't, like, from the weekly, if you're expecting a weekly expansion to go up, expect a raid on sell stops. Okay, price goes for opposing liquidity before it goes to the direction you're anticipating it to go to. That's paying attention to the open, low, high and close of a candle stick. So for those of you that have been asking me about my notion, the trade is actually smashing up right now. For those of you that are actually asking me about my notion, you can check out this video for my notion, and also go to the community post to, should I say, click on the link to get the free template. And also for those of you that are asking for London Q zone timing in Nigeria, you can check out this video as well to, should I say, see how this London Q zone works, because currently I don't pay too much attention to the London and New York Q zone. Like then when I was trading in lower time frame, that was when I was paying attention to them. But it's not like I don't pay attention, because ICT is time and price. Okay, because the most important thing about those times is understanding what is happening at that time and when the market is volatile. Okay, when the market is likely to move. Okay, those are the times. Like now we're in New York session, as you can see how the time is. Price is reacting, but those times there are no key times in price is either consolidating or doing something else. Okay, so those are the things I just pay attention, like unlike those times when I box them to trade. Okay, it's just like this example I saw of people who surf, like the surfers. Yeah, they are not looking to surf in the sea that is calm. They're looking for big waves. Okay, so it's time for, like, you just like knowing the time you should stay in your hands and do nothing, and knowing the time you taking chances and allowing your edge to play out. Like, I just think those are the main importances of timing in trading in ICT concepts. So Q zones are like the USD. Those are the Q zones in which they move. Yes, the timing they move. Okay, time and price. You're expecting this to happen in this time and expecting this to happen in this time. Run and see what's happened. Then if we should clear this, let's see, then go to the daily. Since we are expecting a daily bullish candle, you can see that price is slowly expanding up, and already got a weak down this week, and now we're targeting these highs. And also in the 4 hour, you see that those highs are quite, so those highs are quite clean. That's these highs. That's what we're targeting. As you can see, well, how price, the bodies always tell you the story. The candles, the week will do the damage. You can see how the candles are respecting at this other block right here after this sweep of this swing low. And now we're anticipating this external range liquidity to be reading, which is buy stops as well. And going to the 1 hour, just same thing. Price is factual. What you see in the higher time frame is what you see in the lower time frame, and that's how I get my daily bias, and that's how I use my daily bias to trade. Okay. So sorry about, my face looks like, but this is exactly 2:27 in the morning, 23rd of October, the next day. I just woke up to check up on the trade, and you can imagine how much price wicked. Damn. Crazy. Thank God for the stop loss that is way below the swing low body block. You see why it's important to practice proper stop loss placement. And you see how many times price consolidated here. That's important of sticking to your plan and sticking to your choice trading plan, no matter how much time price reverses your entry. Okay, because at the end of the day, if you start practicing closing your trade manually, those are bad habits you're building up. Yeah, like even while making this video, I'm also cautioning myself because it's also a bad habit that I usually used to practice. Yeah, but these days I'm like, either stop loss or take profit, and you can see how price is already smashing up. I'm just aiming for our number 1:2. I just woke up to check up on the trade because yesterday it wasn't funny. You guys, like, you can see how many consolidation. And I didn't even see this. It's just now by open trading view. I saw it's crazy. Oh my god, price already been attracted to this liquidity up here. So I'm going to do what now? Let's check daily so you guys will see what we have in the daily, how the candles look like in the 1 day. Because mostly this video is for you guys to understand how I do my daily bias and how I go about it. As you can see, Wednesday took out Tuesday's low, and now it's manipulating up to this place. But there's something else I want you two guys to take off from this video as well. I'm no guru, I'm no forex expert. I'm just teaching you guys what I know or what I've seen over time price. I don't know if you guys are noticing anything from all these things that happened here. This how everything here is just weak. Like nobody closed below this fair value cap. All the whole thing that happened here is just weak. That's what they tell you. The weak will do the damage. The body will tell you the story. The body is telling the story that price is in a bullish momentum. The price doesn't want to go down. The price is going up. As you can see, weak. So I think I'm just gonna continue and sleep. Okay. Damn. We just smashed TP, and this is amazing. So we're just gonna copy this and then do now this. So we just hit TP on the trade and we are up 6%. And right now we're gonna go to October with our main trade. Then we go over here. October. So this is USD here. I wanted to enter this trade, but I didn't let her enter the trade because it was a win trade, but it's a win trade, but I didn't enter the trade. That's why I said I did not document it or talk more about it. Yeah. So going over to the 190, I'm going to be deleting this because I didn't let her take it. I didn't let her take the trade, but I was looking forward to taking the trade, but I didn't take it. So it was a win trade, but I still didn't take it. So USD share right now, I'm going to put TP, paste it here. So you guys see where I entered from, and you guys see how price smashed TP. So right now we're going to do it as a buy. Confirmation, we got a sweep, change the state of delivery, we got a displacement, shift in market structure, retracement back to FG with OTE, and then date was today's is 23rd. Then entry time frame, you guys know my entry time frame 1 hour. Then now we're going to call USD CHF 09. So this is the risking $100 to make 200, $100 to make 200, and right now, all total of every risk I've taken is $300, and I made $600. Okay, then Monday, Tuesday. So this trade finally went on Wednesday, and entry style is low risk entry, use the FG, so that was a win. So right now I have 3 wins.